Soviet monkey.
In the history of the study of anthropoids in the Soviet Union on his research station in Leningrad's suburb Koltoshi, Pavlov female chimpanzees failed to produce the offsprings. With newborn cubs, appeared a new aspect to solving the fundamental tasks of the laboratory: investigate the laws of monkey's brain that gave rise to human consciousness. The apartment of Firsov has a new resident. For the sake of experiment, a baby chimp was separated from his mother and began to raise in family of the academician. During this experiment, the son of academician found a furry friend. Playing joint games with chimpanzees found that monkeys are very fond of drawing. Pictures by monkeys are very similar to pictures drawn by 2-year-old children, or maybe monkeys just do not need recognition of drawn objects, as opposed to people. During the study it was found that apes suffer from the same diseases as people, have intelligence, which distinguishes them from other animals. They love to draw, which proves that creativity is not only found among humans. However, attempts to turn the monkey into a man so far have failed, though some scientists are still working on it.